Octet rule. According to Lewis, noble gases did not take part in any chemical reaction because they have 8 electrons in their outer shell. And so, atoms of noble gases are stable. Other atoms did not have 8 electrons in their outer shells. So, these unstable atoms always tend to acquire stability by trying to have their outer shells completely filled, that is, 8 electrons in outer shell. The methods to achieve octet in outer shell are by donating or accepting electrons, such as in the case of sodium and chlorine respectively, or by sharing electrons, such as in 2 chlorine atoms, thus forming chemical bond between atoms. Octet rule briefly summarizes this observation. It states that atoms tend to combine either by gaining or losing or by sharing of valence electrons in order to have an octet in their valence shells. Limitations. Octet rule have certain limitations. Incomplete octet of central atom. According to octet rule, atoms combine together to gain 8 electrons in their valence shell. However, there are many combinations where central atom did not have complete octet. For instance, there are compounds such as LiCl, HBeH. Atoms of these compounds have incomplete octet. Odd electron molecules. Octet rule is not satisfied by molecules having odd number of electrons. For example, nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide molecules have odd number of electrons. The expanded octet. Octet rule also fails to explain the stability of the molecules having central atom containing more than 8 electrons in its valence shell. Such molecules are said to have expanded octet. For example, in PF5 molecule, phosphorus have 10 electrons, and in SF6 molecule, sulfur have 12 electrons in their valence shell. Compounds of xenon and krypton are also exceptions of octet rule. According to octet rule, noble gases have completely filled octet. Hence, these are inert and did not form compounds. However, some noble gases such as xenon and krypton form compounds with oxygen and fluorine, like XeF2, KrF2, XeOF2, etc. So, this is another exception of octet rule. This theory is not able to specify the shape of molecules. Also, this theory does not tell about energy of molecule and so fail to explain stability of the molecule.